The new leave strategy concerning room. Experts has assumed that using our latest 11 billion drive it would require a phenomenally extended speculation before this endeavor turns into a reality, expecting all that profits is organized. The excursion to Proxima B is expected to expect about 20 years subsequently. There will be a truly prolonged stretch of time previously. We can figure about the presence of life on that planet. The found space telescope has been crucial to examining whether we are truly alone in the universe. Consider reliably offering evidence. Through its divulgences, the James Webb Telescope has recognized some spellbinding, human-like items quite far past Earth, conveying us closer to answering to the critical request our mission for life past Earth has been a ceaseless drive across all human exercises to such a degree we have made various speculations and media adjusted our interest in our job and significance in the universe stays consistent. It's significantly implanted in our tendency to unendingly search for friendship, notwithstanding the way in which comparative we might be. This drive prompts us toward tracking down replies. However, whether or not we move nearer, might we at any point be sure these responses are what we are really looking for? Are they just interruptions go along with us as we dive into the steady disclosures made in the domains of universes and planets on the excursion to reveal something we probably won't be ready to witness? The far off lights of other worlds. Analysts may have uncovered the most huge revelation in history back in 2021 when the James Webb Space Telescope was being planned. A somewhat striking and speculative inquiry emerged about the limits of our innovation. The undeniable inquiry was whether in the future our telescopes could recognize counterfeit light on faraway planets. For model Proxima be the nearest exoplanet to Earth, Proxima be gone around 4.25 light years away, was accepted to be tightly locked, having one side constantly confronting its ST while the inverse side remaining parts in ceaseless murkiness, like our moon. A speculative, innovative turn of events could transport energy from the day side of Proxima B to its night side, utilizing sunlight-based chargers that create power from starlight. A review highlighting researcher Manis Ving among the donors recommended that a huge blend of sun-oriented cells on the day side could be connected with future telescopes. This is particularly pertinent now as the James Webb Space Telescope has been created. It would permit us to grow our quest for AR arrow light on exoplanets like Proxima B. As a matter of fact, the capacity of the James Webb Space Telescope to achieve this exact assignment in 2020 for utilizing its higher goal and high-level abilities is amazing. The telescope could have currently distinguished the lights we were looking for, possibly guiding mankind into another period of logical investigation. We ought to jump further into the universe of exoplanets and universes to comprehend how this outstanding accomplishment was made conceivable. The mission of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, to investigate Proxima B is established in humankind's well-established interest in the universe. Starting from the beginning of history, individuals have contemplated the potential outcomes of our POS position in the universe, who we are, where we come from, and where we are going. These immortal, yet significantly testing questions have been the focal point of human request for quite a long time. With the progression of present-day innovation, one puzzles over whether we are any nearer to noting these squeezing questions. If you somehow happen to ask a savant, they could recommend that we are just at the earliest reference point of genuinely understanding our reality in the all-inclusive. Then again, assuming you were to ask a stargazer, they would enthusiastically share the most recent disclosures made about the universe utilizing cutting-edge apparatuses. These instruments, however, frequently disregarded by the overall population, are a direct impression of human advancement. We presently have the world spread out before us. Also, it's the ideal opportunity for us to extend our skylines and handle the universe with the same certainty. One method for accomplishing this is through the work of space experts and space specialists who have been instrumental in growing new innovation for the disclosure of what may very well be light on far-off planets. The James Webb Space Telescope, a result of human development, is basic to this mission. This infrared space telescope has started resolving these well-established questions, pushing the limits of what is conceivable in space investigation. You may be considering what precisely is Proxima B, at times alluded to as Alpha Centauri. Proxima B, it is a super-R exoplanet that circles in type star. To explain, super-Earths are planets that are more huge than Earth, however less gigantic than ice Goliaths like Neptune or Uranus. They are one of a kind in that they can be made out of gas rock or even a blend of both. Their sizes can shift, with some being 2 times the size of Earth, while others perhaps a few times more massa. Proxima B fits the meaning of a super-R and is delegated in exoplanet, meaning it circles a star outside our nearby planet group. The first possible proof of an exoplanet was found as soon as 1917. However, it didn't create a lot of interest. It wasn't until 1992 that affirmation accompanied the first confirmed exoplanet disclosure, which paralyzed specialists. Another exoplanet, first identified in 1988, was affirmed in 2003. As of April 2124, there are 5,653 affirmed exoplanets in 416 planetary frameworks, with 896 frameworks containing numerous planets. Large numbers of these revelations are circling type stars. To grasp what this implies, realizing that in types is fundamental. Star is the littlest kind of star in the principal arrangement, thus the name red midget. Red diminutive people are the most widely recognized stars in the smooth way. However, they have low radiance, making them hard to distinguish, which entangles our quest for planets. These stars have changing orders. Furthermore, names in light of their size and temperature, like M diminutive people. Proxima B has a mass that intently looks like 1.07 times that of Earth. Interest. Strangely, it just requires 11.2 days to complete one circle around its star, contrasted with Earth's 365.25 days. You can assess the size of the star Proxima B circles by considering the full electromagnetic range. The star's complete radiance is a simple 1.6% of the sun's brilliance and Habitable light range. It sparkles at simply 5% to 6% of the sun's force, creating undeniably less light energy than the sun. Over 85% of its transmitted energy is infrared radiation, with an orbital scope of 0.045 to 0.056 Australian dollars from its star. Proxima B's disclosure was declared in 2016. However, what compels it stand apart from the large number of different stars, planets, and systems in our world? There are a few justifications for why space experts are especially zeroed in on Proxima B. Most outstandingly, it is the nearest known exoplanet to our Sun. While 4.2 light-years might appear to be far off to us in the boundlessness of the universe, it is moderately close. Proxima B is important for the Alpha Play star framework. Proxima B is important for the Alpha Community Framework, which comprises of 3 stars: Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Penny B, and Proxima Centauri. Proxima Focus, the littlest and daft of the 3, is a red small star that hosts this charming exoplanet. Proxima Honey Bees innovation joint efforts in a more profound closeness to its star and its situation inside the tenable zone, where conditions could permit fluid water to exist on its surface make it a prime contender for additional investigation. The term livable zone alludes to the district around a star where temperatures are reasonable for fluid water, a key element for life as far as we might be concerned. While Proxima B's area in this zone is promising, it additionally faces special moves. Its nearness to Proxima Centauri opens it to serious heavenly flares and radiation which could strip away its climate and make it unfriendly anyway. In the event that Proxima B has a solid attractive field or a thick air, it might actually protect itself from these unforgiving circumstances. One of the most astonishing parts of contemplating Proxima B is the chance of identifying indications of something going on under the surface or mechanical movement. Hypothetical investigations propose that cutting-edge developments could leave perceivable follows, for example, fake light or radio transmissions. This is where the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and future observatories become possibly the most important factor. With its high-level infrared capacities, JWST can examine the airs of far-off planets, looking for biomarkers like oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide, which could show organic action. In 2020, for the JWST, made huge steps in the investigation of exoplanets by recognizing faint hints of counterfeit light emanations that could possibly demonstrate innovative action on Proxima B. This disclosure, while primer, has started serious banter among researchers. Could these outflows be the aftereffect of cutting-edge life shapes, or are they basically regular peculiarities that emulate fake light? The responses stay slippery, yet they fuel humankind's interest and drive to investigate the obscure. To look for extraterrestrial life isn't just about responding to philosophical inquiries. It has useful ramifications for the future of mankind. Finding a livable or possessed exoplanet could motivate new comprehension of our position in the universe. In addition, it could give bits of knowledge into the circumstances fundamental forever and assist us with better getting it our own planet's set of experiences and future. As we look toward the stars, Proxima B fills in as an image of humanity's persevering quest for information. It helps us to remember the significance of interest development and the conviction that we are essential for something a lot bigger than ourselves. Whether we find life on Proxima B or some other far-off world, the actual excursion is a confirmation to human ing